Hello everyone,
welcome back to our channel Beautiful Life Together. So it's our day 2 in here and we're just starting our day. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. So आज चाहिँ हामी few activitiesहरु गर्नेवाला छौं हैन अनि we will go around the property. Just beside we'll go back and there's still more to come. So I'm very excited for it. So yeah, stay tuned. हामी चाहिँ अब हर्स राइड गर्न लाग्छौं अनि we are waiting for them to come here. So how are you feeling, Baba?
I'm feeling good. Horse riding अब पहिला पनि गर्न त गरे हो तर खासै याद चाहिँ छैन मलाई हैन धेरै सानोमा गरेको थिए अब धेरै पछि गर्न लागेको so I think we will enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm मलाई चाहिँ कस्तो डर पनि लाग्छ हैन but we'll do it. We got to do it. So यहाँ चाहिँ समयले भिनाजुलाई विश गर्नलाई
Thank you so much bye.
So अब चाहिँ हामी हेलमेट लाएर हर्स राइडको लागि रेडी भइसकेको छौं. We are just waiting for the horse and then we are good to go. हर्स राइड गरेर आयौं हैन अब चाहिँ हामी जस्ट क्विक ड्रिंक र स्नैक्स खाइरहेको छौं त्यस पछाडी विल बी गोइङ इन अ बगी राइड बगी चलाएर यहाँ माथि हिल टपमा आइपुगिसकेको छौं. इट्स सो ब्युटिफुल हियर. यस्तो भ्यू राम्रो यो स्विङ पनि छ. इट्स अल पार्ट अफ द फार्म स्टे. It's like almost 7 o'clock and we are going out for dinner. We are going to this Italian restaurant and yeah, I hope the food is nice. So we're hoping for a good day. So we are back home, guys. We had a nice dinner and how did you feel?
So dinner was very good.
We had a good time.
We
had a really nice chat. We were there for like few hours. And we just came back home. So how was your birthday, Baba? How was everything?
मेरो birthday एकदम राम्रो भयो हैन मलाई एकदम खुसी लाग्यो. Really good time.
Yeah, we did. So I hope you enjoyed the video and if you did, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And bye for now. So we will see you in next video. Till then, love and peace from us to you guys.
Thank you. Bye.